Good morning, guys. It's your lady teenager Umoto here. It's Sunday morning, very early in the morning. It's 7:45 in the morning Sunday, and I just thought maybe let me just wake up and guys show you around. Oh my goodness, look at my face. As you can tell from there, the sunset is right on my face. Let me turn my camera so you can see. I am literally in my backyard. Guys, give me a sec. That is the sunset. Look at it. It's just coming. It's warm. I'm just literally loving this backyard. So guys, I'm here to show you my pear trees. As you remember, the sun is not quite there so you can see exactly, but I hope you guys can see. I wanted to show you the flowering season, how the pears flowers, how the pollination is taking place. The bees are here, they're doing their thing. Look at the season. If you are watching my videos from last year, you can tell how much fun we had eating these pears, guys. I have two trees of pears, guys. I'm sorry, I'm mumbling this morning. I have two trees of pears. One of the trees is right here. I call this the younger tree because it looks like it's a little bit younger than the other one. So this is how it looks like when it's flowering. So this is the flowering season right here. This is one of the pear I'm showing you. So I'll swap my camera and show you the other pear tree. As you can tell from this side, the flowering is a lot more compared to this other side. This side has more leaves coming up. Guys, I know it's very early in the morning. I hope you guys can see. These are leaves right here, so which means the flowering are off here now. The season of flowering is almost off here, but look at this side. It's still doing their thing. The flowers are still there, pollination is still taking place, and I am loving this year. I'm sensing like this year we are going to have more even pears than last year, guys, because I can see the way it's coming. And let me take you around to another pear tree right here, guys. This is another second pear tree. This is a little bit larger tree than the first one. My goodness, look at the flowering season. So I'm like, I need to show you guys how it flowers. Let me swirl around. Look all the way. And it looks like the trees are gotten much bigger than last year. They're growing. So I am here showing you how they are doing. Look at that, guys. That is amazing. And if you don't remember the name of these pears, let me swirl my camera inside because I have a tag here of the name of the pear. Look at that. The name of the pears are Orient pears, guys. If you know this kind of Orient pears, or if you have grown these pears, comment below. Let me know how yours are doing. And I'm telling you guys, the pears are huge when they grow. If you didn't watch my last year's videos, go ahead and watch and see how huge even the pear gets. So I can't wait for this year to see how much or bigger the pears are going to be, guys. Yes, these are the flowering season. The pear tree are getting bigger. Welcome back, guys. For those ones who are new here, last year I did the videos on how these pears were grown, harvesting season. We were making a lot of smoothies. We were freezing some pears, guys. Yes, we did freeze some pears, and we made a couple of salads from this pears. So even this year we are going even to bake with these pears, guys. Stay here if you're a new member. Thank you so much, guys. Stay here so we can go with this journey. So it means like, give me some ideas, guys. If you have some ideas on how to use or how to bake or anything that I can do with these pears, I know there are going to be a lot of pears. Give me some ideas, guys. Comment below there. Tell me, Teenager Umoto, do this and do that, guys. I really appreciate that. But this morning, this is 2022, guys. Last year was 2021. So 2022, I hope and I wish these pears are going to be a lot more. We are going to share with lots of people, community, friends, and families. We all share these pears because, you know, guys, I cannot finish all of this. So if you live around here at Texas, guys, come here whenever the season comes. And if I ever shared with you these pears, give a testimony, guys. The pears are really huge and nice. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to wake up this morning and give you a testimony of my pear trees, how they're doing. They're growing so so huge, flowering. If you compare last year videos and this year's video, you can tell the difference. The trees were a little bit smaller, and right now you see they're all large. Oh my goodness, they're so big and so huge. And guys, I hope this year we are going to have a lot of fun with these pears, guys. Trust me, I'm going to freeze lots of pears. I'm going to make lots of smoothies and juice and juicer. I got even a juicer this time, so we are going to make a juicer. I'm gonna make pancakes using these pears. We're gonna do a lot of baking this year. So stay here, guys. If you're new to this channel, my name is Teenager Umoto. Follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, guys. Oh well, guys, and I wanted to thank you so much, guys, for those ones who are still watching my videos. My gosh, your comments. Look at, I'm back again with my sunshine. Let me turn around so you can see how it is. That is, look at that. So guys, I just wanted to tell you guys, if you're new to this channel, this is the Teenager Umoto channel. I do lots of vlogs, I do beauty, hair, I cook, guys. I love traveling too, so this is the channel to be here, be with me. I love your sweet comments, guys. Whenever you leave a sweet comment, I really appreciate it. It keeps me going, it keeps me motivated. I know it's hard when you're trying to put content here. Sometimes you figure out what kind of content I'm going to make, but hey, your motivation, your comments, you're sharing my videos, and sometimes when I meet some of you on the stores, like, you look like the lady on YouTube, I'm like, yes, it's me, Teenager Umoto. I really appreciate that so much. And guys, for those ones who have joined my membership, guys, you have been with me for so long. I really love you so much. I appreciate you so much, and thank you so much. And guys, if you happen to be new here and you have not joined my membership, please go join my membership to support the channel. Okay, this channel is a plenty of channel. It's a channel that brings you different kinds of food and beauty and hair and wigs, guys. If you love wigs, I love to promote wigs. I love to try new wigs, new food, new restaurants. I love to do pretty much everything in my channel. So stay with me in my channel. Let's go to this journey together. And of course, most importantly, we this morning, I just woke up this morning for you. Who wakes up morning for you, guys? Who wakes up morning for you to vlog about the flowering of the pear tree? It's Teenager Umoto, because I just thought about you. I'm like, I need to show you everything, and I'm going to be uploading more videos on how these pear trees are doing each and every day or each week. I usually post my videos on Saturday at 10 a.m. or sometimes I post on Sunday, but mostly Saturday at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So guys, that's when I post my videos. So today I just woke up and I wanted to show you how the pear tree are really doing, guys. It's a little windy this morning. You can see some of the pear trees are falling, the flowers are falling down the ground. Look at that. So it's going to take this week for all actually the flowers to fall. Okay, so usually the pears are ready by, this is April, so by May, June, by July actually we're eating the pears. But I'll stay here because I'll be updating you how the pears are going to flower, or the stages they're going to go through until we eat the real pears. So this is my first video. I put it here because I almost forgot. I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to capture the flowering season, and now I came here, captured for you, and then I'll keep uploading more videos. Let's go. This guy, look at the wind. When it's the wind, it's shedding the, look at the flowers, how this is how it usually is. The wind comes, look at the wind, and look at them falling down. That's how they usually come. The wind comes and blows all of them down, and then the season is over. So I'm glad I captured this for you guys. If you're new, subscribe to my channel, share the videos, guys. Oh well, guys, thank you so much for coming with me or waking with me this morning. If you're watching this video, I was so excited to take you around my backyard and see my pear trees. I have two pear trees. And guys, now I need to go inside. It's getting a little chilly, a little windy. I need to go make a cup of coffee so that I can enjoy my Sunday, because tomorrow's work. So I need to go get it ready. Guys, keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep sharing the video. Hey, let's hustle this together. And I wish you the best, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.